Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got a killer bee right here. This is a 1970 Super Bee, numbers match motor, transmission, factory Sublime green. It's got the ram charger. That's a pistol grip 4-speed I see sitting there on the floor. It's got the fender tag and it all decodes out just the way you see it sitting here right now. Been rotisserie restored. It's a great car. You can go to volocars.com and read all the specs and study about 100 pictures of the car. You can also find the prices on our website. We put all the prices on all our cars at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me, let's go for a spin. The 70 Super Bee. Yeah, it was flipped on a rotisserie. The bottom of the car is painted this glossy Sublime green color. The metal's beautiful. All the factory ribs and frame rails, the seams, everything looked really nice. If anyone replaced anything, they were professional and they did it like the factory would have done it because it looked really good to me. And again, it's all gloss green, even up behind the fenders. All of it's beautiful, clean metal. The front end's been completely rebuilt. The components even look fresh. The paint, the bushings, the ball joints, the shocks, even the little cotter pins, all that looks new in the front end. The dual exhaust system is good, not new, but it's solid. Gas tank, perfectly fine, clean tank. It's not new, but it looks nice. You look up at the motor, that is spotless. And the casting codes are on the side, the date is on the side, and the matching VIN number is right over the oil pan that matches the car. You look at the 4-speed transmission, matching VIN number, and there's pictures of both of these on our website. But everything related to the transmission looks fresh. The speedometer cable, the linkage, that all looks super clean and fresh. It has disc brakes in front, drum in the back. Emergency brake cable system looks like it's hooked up. And just a lot of fresh components. I think the fuel lines, brake lines, just a lot of little stuff was replaced underneath. It's really exceptionally nice. Now the body on the car appears to be in excellent shape as well. The fellow that's owned the car has had it for the last 7 or 8 years. You can go to volocars.com. I tried to reach out to the shop that had it right before the video to get more information. I didn't talk to him in time for the video, but I will, whatever I find, I'll post it on our website description. But anyway, back to the body. I'm noticing the gaps are square. They're right on the money. They look great. Has the pen star just on this side. This way it's supposed to be, not on both. And this is smooth. There are no bubbles down here. This is all clean. Even the wheel well is painted green. Has the nice Super Bee C stripe. The vinyl top is excellent. I don't see any bumps or tears or splits. Original glass. Of course, going to have a few light scratches, but all the stainless trim looks real nice. The trunk lid fits all nice and square. This tail panel's beautiful. I don't know if they remake those, but it looks new. Bumpers rechromed. Got nice restored wheels. They're painted. The trim looks good. Tires look real good. This side's just as nice as the other side. All smooth. Fits nice and square. This has the pop-out rear windows, not the roll-down windows. And all this trim is real nice. Door handles, mirror, vent window pillar, all that's excellent. Windshield, also original. It's an 8. It looks real good. Minor wiper mark up here in the corner. Trim is good. These are functional scoops. I'll show you when I open the hood. These little fender turn signals, that's on the tag. That's the way it came. Front bumpers are rechromed. Grills look like they're really nice original. Got the original antenna. So it's a 383, 335 horsepower. It has the complete ram charger system. It's got the cable under the dash to open and close it. The engine bay is all clean metal, painted glossy and smooth like the outside. And I said the original fender tags over there. I just decoded that. I'll put it on our website. But it was born according to that tag in these colors. It's a 4-speed. It's a Super B. Born like you see it. Real nice interior. The bucket seats have been reupholstered. Door panels have been replaced. Rear package tray is nice. All clean trunk compartment, all painted green. It's got a spare rim and a tire. It's not a new tire, but it's got a spare and a tire. It's got the jack assembly. It does have a new reproduction mat, new weather strip. Steering wheel's real nice. It has the rally gauges in the dash. Has wood grain trim going all the way across. A pistol grip shifter. Carpets look new. Headliner's nice and tight. Dome light works. Visors, mirror look new. Has seat belts front and back. The clock is ticking. Seriously, the clock's ticking. You better get to our website and buy it before someone else does, but the clock is working. Back in the engine compartment here, has power brakes, power steering. A lot of Mopars didn't. Don't take that for granted. Everything is very proper. The motor's painted and detailed. The brackets, the pulleys, the shroud, the radiator, the cap, all looks real good. The battery's bolted down. It has nice battery cables, has a horn, has washer fluid in the bottle. So it all looks very nice and proper. Let's hear how she runs. The reverse light on the dash works. I'm in reverse right now. Tachometer's working, oil pressure's good, fuel gauge works. Motor sounds good. Door jambs painted real nice. Weather strips look new. Turn signal and the fender is working. Both sides. Even the front door jam's real nice. So there you have it. Really nice car, number match, 4-speed, Super B. It's a good one right here. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this B. Plenty of ways on our website to contact the salesman. They will help answer your questions the best they can. They can also help with financing and delivery. And if you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next video posted. Thanks for watching.